What is with all the controversy surrounding the market cap of PulseChain and PulseX? In this video, we'll be looking into what market cap is, why people are concerned about it, and whether it will stop PulseChain and PulseX from doing 1000x or even a 10,000x. Hello and welcome to ABCrypto. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get started. Despite not being launched yet, both the PulseChain and PulseX stand at a point where no one imagined they would. And thanks to Richard Heart, the support for both the projects is growing, which is visible each day on their social media platforms. This is because the market fundamentals behind PulseChain are solid. And as the world is starting to move towards blockchain technology, after realizing the potential it has, relying on one project just may not do the trick, and precisely that's where PulseChain comes along. Its network will not suffer from delays, security issues, and maintenance, and because of these advantages, developers seem to love PulseChain, and so far, despite it not being launched yet, more than 135 projects are being built on it, which is just massive. And if you want to get ahead of the game for PulseX, make your way to pulsextokens.com. Here you can also list new token projects for free, vote for your community's project, and utilize their free PulseX faucet for 100 PulseX per day that will be queued up and given to you at launch. For the next few days, they are having a huge giveaway of up to 100,000 PulseX, all in exchange for simply getting their name out there. You can use my personal links down below and can become an affiliate yourself to earn 20% from any users who joined using your link. This also brings us back to our main question. With all the good things guaranteed by Richard Heart, will the market cap of both PulseChain and PulseX allow success to happen or not? To answer this, we first have to understand what a market cap is and what role liquidity plays. Market cap means the total dollar value of all shares in a company's stock, and in crypto, the market cap is multiplied by the total number of coins mined by the price of a single coin at any given moment. For example, if the ABCrypto coin has 300,000 coins mined and the price of each coin is at $1, the market cap will be $300,000. Market cap can help to determine the dominance of a coin over others, as it helps to assess how stable an asset is likely going to be when the market gets volatile. Think of it this way: the smaller the plane, the more turbulence you will feel whenever the plane passes through rougher weather, but when the plane is bigger with more strength and better trained pilots, the less turbulence you feel. Market cap does the same. It helps cryptocurrencies to stand against winds. However, one key problem with market cap is it can be raised by increasing the supply of coins, which makes it also not exactly the right measure to predict the coin's success or price. Richard Heart has said many times that market cap doesn't matter and is a vanity metric. We'll let you guys argue this one in the comments down below. Now, on the other hand, liquidity is different, as it responds to how quickly an asset can be bought or sold. A project with good liquidity will allow users to buy or sell that asset quickly, and a project with low liquidity won't be able to allow users to buy or sell their assets quickly. Now, coming towards PulseChain and PulseX, we know its market cap will be in the trillions, meaning there will be trillions of Pulse and PulseX, which messes up the math because for it to do even 100x, there will be trillions of dollars needed, which can be 5 to 6 times more than the entire market cap of cryptocurrency. A number simply impossible to obtain, at least in the short term. This is exactly where the tokenomics and liquidity of PulseChain come along. For one, over 80% of the supply will be kept dormant by Richard Heart. Out of this, 10 to 15% will be staked or will be in the hands of the community, and the remaining 5% will be used to feed decentralized finance, NFTs, and a few other purposes. So, even before starting, the total number of tokens from the entire supply has already massively declined, and then there's the buy and burn mechanism that will come into play. This is a long game and will take some time for it to burn enough tokens, thus reducing the supply and increasing the token's price. But this will happen and will have a huge impact. Second is liquidity. Liquidity plays a more important role for a project to do 100x or even more, and that is likely what will happen in PulseChain and PulseX's case. This is because for smaller projects, even a small sum of money is enough to drive up its price. For example, if the market cap of the ABCrypto coin was $5 million and someone decided to chip in $1 million, this will immediately have a massive effect on the price of the ABCrypto coin. To better understand this, we can seek the help of the liquidity calculator of Hex by going to lookintohex.com, currently the liquidity of Hex is $29 million, which makes the price of Hex to be at 4 cents. Now, if a whale or a group of investors decided to add $5 million, this will immediately increase the price of Hex to 7 cents. If the same thing is to happen with Bitcoin, even if someone puts in $10 million, there won't be any difference in its price, not even in the slightest. And this is because the liquidity of Bitcoin is just so high that 10, 20, or even $50 million hardly will do any good. However, if someone decides to put $1 billion or more into Bitcoin, this of course will have an effect on its price. This happens because the more money that is added to an asset, the more stable it becomes as it becomes more liquid or easy to be bought and sold. Assets with low price can become more stable with less money, and assets with a higher price need more money to become stable. So for both the PulseChain and PulseX to do a 100x, 1000x, or even a 10,000x, it will have to attract bigger investments from big guys, aka the whales, so that its price moves up. And considering both projects were able to gather over $1.7 billion in their sacrifice phase, there is a very good chance the trend will only move towards an upward trajectory once it launches. Hart knows all of this very, very well, and exactly why he is leaving no stone untouched to find and attract the right audience. So what do you think? In your opinion, can PulseChain and PulseX also do a 10,000x like Hex did or not? Like always, do let us know your thoughts and opinions in the comments section down below. This brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.